Welcome to this quick overview of SpinFire PMI feature. Let's look at how SpinFire handles PMIs, which is product manufacturing information. With a single click, SpinFire displays all embedded GD&T dimensions, annotations, and notes for the original CAD model. All PMI stays linked to the geometry. So whenever you rotate or zoom, annotations intelligently reposition to stay readable. You can isolate PMIs by category like dimensions, datums, tolerance, and symbols, making it easy to focus on what matters. When you select a PMI callout, SpinFire automatically highlights the associated faces or features, perfect for quick understanding and reducing misinterpretation. You can also switch between predefined PMI views, allowing you to review manufacturing information exactly as the designer intended. SpinFire PMI is an accurate, clear, and manufacturing ready feature